Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English with AI. If you feel nervous while speaking English on phone calls, this video is for you.
Today, we will learn step by step with real conversation and simple explanations.
Let's start with a simple phone call. Hello. Hi, is this Ria?
Yes, speaking. Who is this?
Hi, Ria. This is Sam, your school friend.
Oh, Sam. Long time. How are you? All right. Let's practice this together. When you call someone and want to confirm their name,
You can say, is this Ria?
you can change the name. For example, is this Rahul? Is this Neha?
Now it's your turn. Say it with me. Is this?
Continuing the conversation. Oh, Sam. Long time. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Now let's try a simple question. If you want to ask about someone's life,
You can say, what are you doing these days?
now you try.
You can answer like this. I'm working. I'm studying. I'm learning English.
Part 3, making a plan. So, are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I think so. Why?
Let's meet and practice English together.
That sounds great. Now, let's practice making a plan.
You can ask, are you free tomorrow?
Say it with me.
And you can suggest, let's meet. Let's practice.
Part 4. Ending the call.
Okay, Ria, it was nice talking to you.
Same here. Let's talk again soon.
Sure, take care.
Bye.
When you want to end a call politely,
You can say, it was nice talking to you.
or talk to you later.
Now, you try.
If you want to speak English confidently,
Practice with this video again and speak out loud.
don't just listen to speak.
Subscribe to Talk English with AI. And let's learn together.